It's a cold January day, and our friends at American Express sent us a helicopter.
Oh, and it's broken.
So our attempt was unsuccessful. Skip got it off the ground, but sadly it broke. Skip, what do you think went wrong?
It was definitely the helicopter's fault.
And if you could do it over again, what would you do differently?
I might not go quite so high on my first attempt, and I think the grassy soft field was a good suggestion.
Oh no! Oh no!
Catastrophic failure. Unsuccessful. Where's the other leg?
I got one. I got it. It's here.
You have the two legs?
No.
There's another leg. I think fell off.
Oh god.
The good news is we'll call American Express, we'll get another one, and we'll go back to Oyster Farm.
Hey.